Guys, that is amazing and wonderful places here. And Bethany. Here the house of Mary, Martha and Lazarus more than 2,000 years ago. Martha, Mary and Lazarus. Here. And Bethany.